Morning everyone, hope everyone's had an awesome week so far. So the boat building news roundup for this week. So Florida boat builder Twin Vee PowerCats has completed its purchase of the Aquasport boat brand in Tennessee and has decided to merge its LFG Marine monohull brand into the new subsidiary. So according to Joseph Visconti, the CEO and president of Twin Vee PowerCats, the company plans to invigorate the Aquasport brand with the ideals and goals LFG Marine were founded on. So Twin Vee recently announced it's entered into an agreement to acquire the Aquasport boat brand and the 150,000 square foot manufacturing facility in White Bluff. So the company has now taken physical control of the Aquasport property and facility in Tennessee. So this Aquasport deal is expected to benefit from the rising economic impact of recreational boating in the United States. So according to the National Marine Manufacturers Association, the industry grew 36% in the last 5 years. And the industry's contributions to the US workforce grew as well, with a 14% increase in jobs supported. And recreational boat and yacht retailer MarineMax has acquired C&C Boatworks, a full-service boat dealer in Cross Lake, Minnesota. So the transaction expands MarineMax's footprint in Minnesota to And recreational boat and yacht retailer MarineMax has acquired C&C Boatworks, a full-service boat dealer in Cross Lake, Minnesota. So this transaction expands MarineMax's footprint in Minnesota to 5 locations. So family-owned C&C Boatworks has operated across Minnesota's Whitefish chain of lakes for over 60 years. And this dealership features boats from Barletta, Cobalt, Harris and Nautique, among others. So with over 1,000 feet of lakeshore, C&C Boatworks has indoor and outdoor storage for more than 600 boats, in addition to service and storage operations with full-service marina amenities. And British boat builder Ribcraft is launching a new range of high-end leisure ribs and establishing a new global dealer network. So the new Ribcraft leisure range initially comprises of 3 rib models, the 3.5 metres, the 5.85 metres and the 9.5 metres. And these new boats will be based on Ribcraft's Pro Series hulls, but with a new level of luxury leisure features, deck layouts and fit out. Ribcraft, which is based in Yeovil in Somerset, says it's actively looking to recruit a number of new dealers across the globe to act as sales brokers for these new leisure ribs. And Ribcraft's leisure dealer expansion and launch will be spearheaded by its new global leisure sales manager, Ollie Stevens, who's got a proven track record of business development within the marine industry. I hope everyone's got an awesome weekend planned, and I'll catch up with you next week.